mark. Let's print out s dot getEmotion, and let's run this. See if we can get. Here he is, because we ended in question mark. And if I have a exclamation mark, let's run this. We got exciting. And if we don't have any marks, we just end on how are you. We got unidentified. So that is how we define a getEmotion and extend that to the string class. And in fact, most of the Kotlin library functions are extension functions on top of Java classes. So there's no concept of Kotlin SDK. There's only Java JDK plus Kotlin extension functions.